It's time for South Dakota cooking. Just a couple potatoes. It's gonna be cooking with a view. People like to time lapse this. A little chunk off the onion. We'll save a little bit of this for the rest of it. See? Olive oil. Ms. Dash carrot bean citrus. It's got no salt in it too. Some garlic powder. Quick and simple. And wrap it up. Get in there, you. Why I oughta. Alright, foil pack. Alright, we're gonna make burgers, and what we have here is a half a pound of hamburger and a half a pound of hot sausage. Mix that up together. Yeah, sriracha, of course. Of course. Now I could grill these onions up or saute them or whatever, but they're just gonna go right in there raw. Sometimes like a little crunch of onion in there. Alright, and to show you, I still do keep these bags and use them. Got a little bit of the McCormick's hamburger left in there. It really beefs it up. Just put a little bit of that in there. And we're going to put a little Montreal steak. It works on burgers too, trust me. Yeah, it's good stuff. It's how I like to do it, the dry ingredients mixed into the burger. Keep that out and we'll coat those. And now, we gotta do some more mixing of it up. Come on back in a minute. You'll see it. Alright, and even though we're not stuffing these burgers, well, I got some cheese we could put in the center. Maybe we will stuff them. Spray this up. It works great, but it can make a mess. About that much done. Smush it. Put a little divot. Just a little bit of cheese in the center. More burger meat. Get the idea. Okay, big burgers, but they're prettier when you use this stuffed thing. I think these are going to be two massive half-pound burgers. Wipe my hands. I started out thinking 3, and then I got hungry. I'm gonna wipe up, clean up, and we'll cook some burgers. How you doing?
Not too bad.
Did you catch anything today?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. We got 2 real nice.
Oh, nice. But best thing is, that's where I'm cooking. Further, the band out further, that's the Missouri, and these are some lakes that run off it. And this casino down there straight ahead, they have an actual RV park. Alright, I think I'm gonna flip them Chicken at least. Oh. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine.
Come on. We're just getting her to run.
Yeah. She was moving.
Oh, yeah.
You guys had never stayed here before either,
Nope.
had you?
Nope.
Did you happen upon it, or did you look it up or something?
No, the people that we're with said there's a spot here. We could go down there and stay. There's several state campgrounds that we could stay.
Yeah.
He said there's always a place to stay, and we just started coming up here because it was a good meeting place for them to come up here, and then they come up and stay. They'll come up tonight, and we're gonna go home tomorrow. They're gonna stay probably.
All right. I got broccoli that's in the steamer. See, I did a smiley face. Camera battery died. I'll do another smiley face. These are big burgers. Doesn't that look good? I do a flyover. I'll probably finish the rest with the handheld. Alright, and we'll steam up a little bit of that broccoli and carrots I picked up today at a store along the way. Maybe I'll find some more veggies later. Potatoes and onions. Awesome hamburger with both hamburger and hot Italian sausage in there. Smiley faces. I'm going to taste it. Alright, YouTubers, I make a really, really good London broil. I also make some serious burgers. If you can see out there, the bugs are out, so I'm eating in here. This is my view. 1 cat. 2 cat. I know, Keek. And there's my view from casino camping. Can't beat it, can you, Keek? Tell the people, Keek. Tell them have a great, wonderful day. Let me go eat. Alright, I scarfed 1 burger down really fast so I can make room for the broccoli and carrots. Potatoes. Lemon juice. I do like my broccoli. And I do like my potatoes. Alright, YouTubers, now have a great and wonderful day.